Welcome everybody to the live video today. Today I'll be giving you a new tax refund update. Today I learned some interesting news about the IRS. They're experiencing delays with 2023 tax refund in 2024. If you have any questions and comments, make sure you drop them down in this video. Let me know that you update on your transcript and also that you update on where is my refund. I am streaming live today on LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay, so let me know. All right, what I want to share with you guys today, I'm screen sharing, is about the IRS with the taxpayer advocate. We already know that the IRS is experiencing many delays with processing, so they also experiencing delays in processing payment. It says if you turn your screen to the side of on your mobile phone, on your tablet, it says on June 20th, 2024, the IRS announced delays in posting payments made through the electronic federal payment posting system. This means the IRS experienced a higher volume than normal of electronic payments, which has caused a significant delay in processing payment records for payments received on or after April 18th. So a lot of people, they owe, so they pay their payments, and that's what the IRS is saying. They're having a problem with those who paid payments toward their refund. Now, they're also experiencing delays for those of you who are waiting on a refund. It says taxpayers can use their online account to view their payment history and view any pending payments that are still being processed. Taxpayers who file by the tax deadline will not be charged penalties or interest due to IRS processing delays. You can generally resolve most notices or letters without help, you guys, but you can also get the help of a professional, either the person who prepared your return or another tax professional. So if your IRS problem is causing you financial hardship, make sure you contact the taxpayer advocate, you guys. And I made sure that I put the link down below this video to help you guys regarding that. Did any of you update? I had to come on here early today. I supposed to be on here at 11:30, guys. But I had to get on here early because I got a lot of stuff to do today. Okay, so do you have any questions and comments? Also, while I'm waiting on more people as well, you guys, for those of you who don't know, make sure if you haven't joined this right here, putting in hashtag refund, and I'm giving away a gift card on my birthday, August the 4th. Okay, you got to put down hashtag refund in the comments to be eligible for this gift card. I already gave one away on April the 15th, which was the last day of tax season. Okay, let me see that you have any questions and comments. Have you heard anything? I know some of you, before I get started, I know some of you already said that your as is date is changing from back to forth. Okay, it went up and then it went backwards. Okay, so let me see what some of you are saying in the comments. Okay, let me know. Okay, and also, if you haven't already subscribed, you guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because I give new tax refund updates every week and give you new updates regarding taxes, business, and building wealth. Okay, all right. Hey, Corey, it's been a while. Great to see you on here. You got any news? Let me see what you say. The IRS is crazy. Still haven't got paid. Wow. I know it's a lot of people, Corey, that have not got paid. And it's like, what is going on? But it is a lot of delays. You guys know that. I know you are tired of me saying this, but some of you may have to reach out to your taxpayer advocate if you need help. Okay, I'm going to put that back on the screen, you guys, to make sure. Taxpayer advocate, okay, and if you can reach out to the taxpayer advocate yourself. You can also go to your tax professional, you guys, the one who completed tax preparation with you, and they can speak on your behalf as well. Also, you can go to your congressman, and I've been telling you guys that I showed you the steps. I had other videos to show you how to go to your state congressman, one being house.gov and the other one being senator.gov, you guys, and reach out to them to help regarding your refund. And I know a lot of you get tired of hearing that, but that's the only way I know to tell you guys, unless I get some more updated information. Okay, let me see. Hi, Michael. Told me to wait for 9 weeks. It's over 10 weeks, nothing from the IRS. Make sure that you reach back out to the IRS. Okay? Try reaching back out to the IRS if you feel that you can't reach anybody. Again, I had videos where I show you guys how to contact your state congressman, and a lot of people have gotten help regarding that, you guys. And that's why I keep sharing that and telling you guys that. But I know that you have to do it on, you have to make that decision for yourself. I can't make it for you. Also, regarding the amended returns as well, you guys. A lot of people have been telling me about the amended returns, that they hadn't heard anything for 2022. Your state congressmen are there to help you guys. They are there to help you in your state with federal programs. The IRS is a federal program that releases tax refunds. So if you need help, don't be afraid to reach out to them. And you're gonna need documents. You're gonna need proof. You're gonna have to give them your social security number, because it's all part of the process. All that information is on their website, you guys. It's on the website. They tell you everything you need. Also, when you go through this step, know that anything you need in the future regarding federal agencies or programs, if you need your senator to step, or your congressman to step on your behalf, you know what to do. From those of you who learned from me this tax season, I help you guys a lot sharing information. Those who stuck with me ever since January, some people have been with me ever since last year at 2023. If you learn, if you face the same thing next year, you know exactly what to do, how to resolve the problem. If some of you are coming on and you missed the beginning of this video, you may have to go back where I explained that it's delays. With all of you know that it's delays with the IRS, but some people are experiencing delays who paid for their taxes. They owed, so they paid, and they're not getting updated. You will not have any penalties, the IRS is saying. Okay. Hi, Nella. Welcome to the channel. I filed April the 2nd, made me wait over a month to verify in person. Verified, and I received the text topic 151 saying it's being reviewed. I keep calling. I understand, Nella, regarding what you're going through. Have you reached out to your congressman? Good morning to you as well. Have you reached out to your congressman? Have you reached out to the taxpayer advocate? Let me know in the comments, did you reach out and try to get help regarding that? Also, you guys, don't forget, if you don't want to reach out to your congressman, I shared on the last live video, you can go back to your local tax office. They still are doing that. You know how well some of y'all had to go to verify identity in person? You guys, they got it back open. The IRS announced it days ago that in your location, you got to go on irs.gov, go to those locations, the taxpayer assistance programs, the sites, the centers, and go in there and see if they have any openings. Now, I know it's after the 4th of July, you guys, and a lot of centers probably closed, but I would definitely see on Monday to see if I can go in there and get help regarding my refund to those taxpayer centers that are near you. Okay. Nella said, no, I need help somehow. Nella, do you know how to reach out to your congressman? I got it on the screen, the house.gov and senator.gov. Okay, I'm new to this state, so I'm not sure where to go or what to do. Okay, what I'm gonna do for you, Nella, I'm hoping that you guys, every time I try to screen share, sometimes what happens is I go out. So if I go out, when I go to irs.gov, stay with me, you guys, and I will be back. Okay. I'll be back. I'm finna screen share for you, Nella, right now, and some of you guys who don't know about house.gov. So give me a minute, okay? I'm gonna try to get on the screen. It's house.gov, and you can go to house.gov or you can go to senator.gov. And I have shared this several times on the website on the live video to help those who need it. You're welcome, Nella, okay? That's what I'm here for, to help you. Okay, let me try to screen share. And again, if I go out, if it goes blank, I will do my best to come back in on here, okay? So I'm trying to attempt to do it, but sometimes I have problems with my software. If you have any questions, you're on LinkedIn and Facebook, also let me know, okay? Okay, I'm going to try to see if it pulls up. If you have any more questions and comments, just like Nella, make sure you drop them down, okay? Don't be afraid to ask questions. That's what I'm here for, you guys, to help you. I also got the Taxpayer Advocate at the bottom of the screen. Okay, Nella, here we go right here. Okay, these are your representatives right here. This is the site, house.gov. You're going to try to find your representative, or if you're on senator.gov, you're going to try to find your senator for your state. Everybody's is different, okay? So you click representative. You should see a directory of representatives in alphabetical order. Now, I am from Alabama, and I always tell people, roll tide. But I am from Alabama, so I'm going to show you from where I'm located. So I've been using Barrymore or Jerry Call, okay? And I'm hoping that this screen shows you guys exactly, goes with me as I go. If I don't, I have to go back out of it. Okay, I'm going to choose Barrymore. So you got to choose whatever state you're in, Nella. Choose the representative, even though you're new to that state, okay? Find your congressman. Once you find your congressman, let me see if it's sharing. Sometimes I have to stop screen sharing and get back on here. Give me a minute, okay? I'm gonna add this back up here, and I'm gonna have to remove it. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop screen sharing for a minute to get to Barrymore, that what I'm trying to share with Nella. But if you guys who are on here, if you're watching me right now, you come in. If you have any questions regarding your refunds or anything, let me know. So, okay, I'm finna pull back up Barrymore, and hopefully it works. Hopefully nothing cuts off. Give me a minute, you guys. Okay, this is Barrymore. This is for my representative. Your state representative, again, will be different, but you should use, it should be similar to what I'm doing, okay? That's why I'm sharing it. So when I go to Barrymore, I'm going to scroll down. You should see information regarding Barrymore. When you get here, you should see services. So what I'm looking for is help with federal agency. When you click services, I click help with federal agency. Then it should go to that page. And it should be similar again on all the different ones. Even if you're on the House or you're on the Senator and you have a different representative than me, it should be similar to what I'm sharing. Okay, it says help with a federal agency. What you're going to do, you're going to scroll down. Okay, the IRS is a federal agency, okay? And it's more. If you need help in the future with anything else, it has help with a federal agency, better veteran resources, small business resources, COVID-19, national disaster assistance, mental health. But you see, you get the picture. I'm going to scroll down. Okay. Then it says if you can't get an answer from a federal agency in a timely fashion, or if you feel you haven't been treated unfairly, our office may be able to help resolve the problem, right? So you go here. It's going to tell you what you need. What you need. You're going to need your social security number. Why you need your social security number? Because the IRS going to speak on your behalf. This Congress, the congressman, that you're contacting going to speak to the IRS on your behalf. So they're going to need your social security number, and you're going to have to give them permission to speak to them to see what's going on with your refund. Now, a lot of people have done this and they watched my video and they've been successful and they have told me thank you. I have a lot of comments back saying thank you about this, and they actually got their refund. Okay, so you're gonna need all the stuff that's on that site that they ask you for. Now, you might not need the VA, but the tax identification, taxpayer identification number, your social security number, and anything else that they may need to verify you. Copies of related documents, your tax return that you filed for this tax season. Hopefully you got a copy. You need that as well. So when you get all that information, they have supposed to be, see this, submit your casework request here. Let me see if it's showing on the screen. Okay, yeah. You see that? Submit your casework request here. Now, when you click on that, they're going to ask you for your name. They're going to ask you for your email. They're going to ask you for you to comment and tell them what is going on in your own words. Now, what you're not going to put in this box, you're not going to put your social security number in this box. You're not going to put anything else. You're going to put the comment that what's going on. I've been waiting on my tax. I'm just going to give you an example. You can put it in your own words. I've been waiting on my refund since January. The IRS have not said anything for me. I received a notice to wait. Some of you saying 5 weeks, 9 weeks, and it's been way past 9 weeks, and I want to know what's going on with my refund. Can you help me? Okay, then you submit it. Once you submit it to your congressman, you guys, you submit it to your congressman. Okay, make sure you remember, because they're going to ask for your name, your email, and your telephone number. When you put your email, remember it, and then check your inbox and your spam folder when they contact you back. It might be a couple of days, but they will contact you back. If they don't do it, Nella, by email, what they will do is call you by the number you provided. Now, this is what people, you can see it. Okay, this is what people do wrong with this. They said, my congressman never contacted me. Okay, you live in Decatur, Alabama. Okay, you can see it. Okay, all right. Nella, I'm so sorry. You said yes because I'm homeless with an 8-year-old living in a car. I need my return. I am so sorry, Nella. I am praying for you. It's a lot of people that are going through similar things as you, living in cars, and some in my area. My heart goes out to you. I will continue to pray for you, and I hope those of you who are watching will definitely pray for Nella, okay? There's a lot of people going through this as well. So this is why I'm trying to get help for you any way I can, okay? So definitely, if you're going through that, I definitely recommend for you, Nella, you know, you do what you want to do, but to reach out to your congressman to help you. That's what they are there for with federal agency. As I was saying, you are so very welcome, Nella. As I was saying, you guys, this is what people do wrong. They submit it and they don't pick up their phone when the number calls. So if you provided your telephone number, cell number, and your email address, make sure, again, email, inbox, and spam folder. Also remember, if you see a weird number on your cell phone that you don't recognize, pick it up, because it could be them, okay? Because they can do it. You guys, do you offer help? I offer help regarding By Grace Tax Services LLC. I am live. I do tax preparation with my clients. But if you see a lot of people file with other tax preparers, and I can't help them, but I can provide helpful information to you on this channel. So hope this will help you, okay? So you can do it on your own and it will help you, okay? But during tax season, for those of you who are interested in, a lot of you said that have been on my live video said that they may want to try me next year, and I do have that available as well, Nella. Here is my email, Nella, and this is always regarding business info at bygracetax.com. Also, Okay, that's my website, but I wanted to put, I have a website, but I do also have where people book appointments. live.pasita.com/site by Grace Tax. They do virtual appointments with me and other services I offer during tax season. And even after tax season, I have other services as well. So if you want to go on there and look around and to learn more about me, you're welcome to. But yes, I have a business. It's by Grace Tax Services. I am live on it right now. I'm live on LinkedIn. Any information regarding you want to know about me is on my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel homepage. You should see all my website, social media sites, the booking link that I put on there, and also my store link for my website. Okay, Nella? Okay. But if you do that, they're going to reach back out to you. Just make sure when they reach back out to you, you have all the information that I have shown you. Okay. Anytime all you have to do, if you don't feel like you did the steps correctly, comment under my video. I try to get back to people. Sometimes it be so many comments, you guys, on my older videos. I have like 400 videos on this channel, you guys, and people steadily be commenting on old videos. So what I do is try to get them early in the morning or in the evening when I have a chance. And so if you have problems, you say, Miss Likely, I need help, I want to make sure, all you have to do is comment under this video or other videos, okay, on my channel, Nella, and I'll get back to you. Okay, all right, that helps. All right, did anybody else understand what I am saying? If you can't understand what I'm saying, make sure you go back to the beginning. Okay, you don't have to do it now. Wait until you can do it. Okay, wait until you can do it. Okay, I understand there's a lot of people be watching me and they at work. It's been on my channel. They say, "Hey, Miss Likely, I'm at work." I get it. Okay. Thank you for subscribing. We're a family on here, Nella. We be having a good time. You see any of the other people on my live videos, I know it's been slow because some people haven't received their refunds, and plus it's the 4th of July weekend. But we have fun on this channel. There's a lot of people that they return back and they be coming and sharing stuff with us, and I enjoy them. So you are welcome. Thank you for watching, and I hope this information helps you, okay? So do it when you can do it, okay? Because right now they're closed anyway. It's Saturday. You said I left the IRS website and came to YouTube and found you. Ha ha. It's a lot of people that do, because I have one popular video on my channel with 40K views on it. So a lot of people, is one of the top videos on YouTube. So a lot of people have found me and say they suggested my channel to your channel to me. So I'm glad you found me, Nella. Welcome, and I hope this information helps you. Okay. Anytime you need help, all you got to do is comment, okay? And I shared other information, how to be able to get in contact with me as well, okay? All right, anybody else with any other questions? Have you guys updated with anything on your transcript? So do I. And I'm hoping, Nella, I'm definitely praying for you, okay? I'm praying for everybody that waiting on their refund, but definitely those who are really having hardship. Also, Nella, I know that you're saying that, you're staying in your car. I shared another video on my channel. Yesterday, I did a replay of it. If you look at the one on the video, I also did a live video to share people who may need extra money, okay? It's a free video. I share information for those, because a lot of people that have lost their cars, have lost homes, and you have a car, and I know you got a job, but outside of your job, if you want some second income from, maybe, you want to do it wherever you are, or you want to use your car for extra income as well, I have all that information on my channel. I did a live video to help people who need help with making extra income, okay? All right, so check out that video as well, okay? All right, I went over all the information, you guys, and again, I tell you, taxpayer advocate if you don't want to reach out to your congressman. But a lot of people reach out to their taxpayer advocate and they say they don't help them. Listen, you guys, let me a word of advice to you guys. Okay, if you're in hardship and your refund is reduced, some of you have told me that your refund was adjusted, it was reduced. Okay, if you're in hardship, just like Nella says she is, you got to provide proof. You can also, Nella, reach out to your taxpayer advocate if you're having a problem with your refund because you're going through a lot, and say, look, I'm living in my car. I'm going through things. I'm homeless right now. I have a child. Tell your taxpayer advocate that, and also you're going to have to sometimes provide proof. You're going to have to provide proof that you don't have all those things so that they can be able to help you, because the taxpayer is there to help taxpayers, but it depends on your circumstance. Okay, everybody's circumstance is not the same. They may not be able to help you, so that's why I refer people to their congressman, because the state congressmen are there to help us, okay, with federal agencies or anything else that they have on their list of services to help us with. You can also call that IRS number. I always put it on. I know a lot of you watch and y'all get tired of me sharing it, but to contact the IRS, this is the number that you contact the IRS for taxpayer offset. If you feel like you have child support, you have other things that you owe, call that number. And again, a lot of people have tax offset and they still don't know it. So make sure you check that as well. Make sure also go back to your copies of your return. Go back to your return and see that you put in the correct information. If your tax preparer or you put in the wrong number on your social security number, that's going to throw your tax return off. That's going to cause the delay, and it's going to be like people thinking it's fraud going on, and the IRS will be investigating. Make sure when you put in your account number and your routing number that also, you guys, the stuff match up. Some people be trying to put money in somebody else's bank account. That's not going to work. If I complete my return as lender likely, I have a bank account. It's got to have lender likely on there. If you are joined with your spouse, it should have both of you on there. Sometimes they'll let it fly if it just, but you need to have both of you on there if you got a joint return, okay, on your bank account. That will cause the banks to reject it. That will cause the bank to say, look, it is some suspicious activity going on with this person. So they'll send it back to the IRS. If it's sent back to the IRS, you contact the IRS, and the IRS will mail you out a check, and it should take about 5 to 10 business days. However, some people told me on the last live video that they was waiting on a check, and it's been like a month. Do not sit there if you've been waiting on a check to be mailed to you. If it's been over a month, go back to the IRS. Okay, I know you're tired of hearing that. Go back to the IRS and say, look, it's been a month. I need my refund, and be nice. Say it in a way. You can be professional, you guys, without being rude. And I tell people that. Be nice to these IRS agents. Don't get on there getting an attitude. Though some of them will have an attitude. I get it. But still try to be nice. Because one young lady, she told me, she said, Ms. Likely, I did what you said. I just was nice. And that person helped me more than any other agent I was study calling. So being nice takes you a long way. Try not to be rude, even though you need your money. We know that you need your money. Okay? So try to be nice to them, because sometimes you be mean. Some people say they have hung up on them. So be careful with that, okay? Amended returns, for those of you, 1-866-464-2050 is the number on irs.gov. Also, you can go to the irs.gov, the website, and go to where is my amended return, and also check the status as well. Now, some people have been telling me that they have been receiving updates, and some people told me that they still haven't received their money again from 2022 amended returns. You can still reach out to your congressman. I've been sharing about reaching out to your congressman for 2023, but do you reach out also for amended returns, you guys? I mean, you can still reach out for amended returns as well. If you've been waiting since 2022, definitely, yeah, reach out to them. And know that it takes 20 weeks. Now, some people have told me, for I see a question or comment down in the video, and I'll get to that. Some people have told me that in order for them to get their money, they amended their return. Now, the IRS doesn't recommend that unless they tell you to, or unless you feel that you did an error. So the best thing to do is go back to your tax return and see if your tax preparer or you made an error. Because if you did, you're going to have to amend it. And she said that she received her money not too long after she amended her return. So this is just something I'm sharing. You can do what you want to do. Okay, let me see what's in the comment. I have a video on that letter. Okay, I don't know what is wrong with the screen. It's freezing up, but I did see in the comment that it's the person said, what is the letter for? I have a playlist on my channel, and I hope that you can still hear me because it's not loading comments right now. I don't know what's going on, but I have a playlist with notices and letters, CPO5 and the different notices, and I also have one that you can download to help you regarding that. Let me see if I can pull it up. Let me see if it'll come in or come back up. I don't know what's going on. It's freezing, you guys, and it's not showing me any comments right now. Sometimes I have to be patient. Okay, hey, Edna. Okay, Edna, I did a video on it on a playlist of all the letters, okay? All the letters and the notices, and I also had a PDF free download right from the IRS site. If you go to my channel, you should see the list of all the different letters, and I'll go into detail of explaining each one of them regarding the letters, okay? But if you feel like, you don't have time to watch the video, you can go to irs.gov, and it has a list of all the letters and it explains in detail to help you. Okay, Edna? Okay, you're welcome. Okay. All right. Anybody else with any more questions? I try to wait, you guys. Let me see. To see, because sometimes people have questions and then I cut it off the live video and then I see a bunch of them just pop up on my screen. So I try to see if anybody needs it. I'm trying to look it up right now for you. See, 4464C. They got to verify the accuracy of your return, okay, Edna? That letter, most time it tells you got to verify that. Did you read the letter, Edna? You said they sent you the letter. Did you read the letter? If you're still on, Edna, did you read the letter that they sent you? Whatever they send you, I'm going to tell you guys. I tell you guys on the playlist, but I'm going to tell you, whatever they send you the letter for a CPO5, all you got to do is wait because you did something, maybe a small error, and the IRS going to, they're going to do it on their end, and it's going to take a while to update. But if you get some of the other letters, it may tell you something different. It may tell you need to send in information, you guys. And when they tell you to send in information, make sure you send in that information that they're asking you for by the deadline, okay? Because if you don't do anything, the IRS is not going to do anything. Make sure that you keep copies when you send information to the IRS, whether it be by fax, whether it be by mail. Keep all the information, you guys, as proof as you send it to them. And if you're still on, then you read the letter, because it usually explain what is needed on that letter. And some of them, they're telling you you just gotta wait, but they gotta verify something. Sometimes people be reviewed, sometimes people be audited, sometimes they thinking that you may be fraud, identity theft. It's a lot be going on through tax season, and that's why a lot of people are held up. because they're really trying to see regarding identity theft, scam, all that different stuff is going on right now. Okay. Anybody else that is, is on this live video have any other questions? I won't be live again, you guys, until Wednesday. And that most of the time when people see an update, for most people get their refund date is usually be Wednesday. That's what we've been seeing. But some people can get it before then as well, that Monday, that Wednesday, or that Friday. But most time the updates give you a due date on that Wednesday. So if you have any questions right now, why I am live, drop them down in the comments. Now, when I go off again, I will not be live again Wednesday, but you can still comment under the replay of this live video, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm on Facebook, on By Grace Tax Services. You guys, I'm also on YouTube, my YouTube channel, and I'm also on LinkedIn. So if you're on there as well, you guys make sure that you drop down the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel also. Again, give new updates every week. I have done this all the way to the end of tax season in 2023, and my journey continues on. A lot of people did not get their refund from last year until this year. Yeah, they end up getting 2 refunds. So that's why I encourage you guys, if you don't want to wait that long, to try to get you some help. And don't be afraid. And I know a lot of people are scared that their information, that they give it out and something's going to happen, you guys. But if it's the federal agency, hopefully it won't happen like that, because they're there to help you. Okay? Any more questions, any more comments, anything else that anybody want to say? Don't forget also, you guys, my new book is available. Ebook is available as well for those of you who are looking to learn how to get a bigger refund legally. I had a video regarding this, you guys, as well, and a lot of people were interested in a book or ebook to help them during tax season. So this is for next tax season. For those of you interested, you can pre-order on my channel. It will be on Amazon as well. If you want to look up any other books that I have, you can go to Linda Likely Books on Google. You can also put in my name, Dr. Linda Likely, and you should see a list of information about me as well on there. And also my social media sites to help you guys that are new to me. Any other questions? Any other comments? Giving you a chance. Also, you guys, I forgot about that. Let me tell you something. Also, for those who want to get my newsletter, where I provide, it's free as well, you guys. That's free. Get new updates and stuff about tax news. Now, you're going to really need this during tax season. So that's why I'm sharing this as well, to help you guys with updates during tax season. Also, membership for those who join membership during tax season as well, because I have a membership as well, to help those who need help as well with getting money. Investing besides refunds, you guys. Besides refund, I help with those who want to learn how to make money online, how to build wealth, how to invest. It's available as well. Okay, anybody else before I go off? Okay, a new comment. I'm trying to wait and see if I can go to it. Okay. Hey, little Charles. Okay, little Charles said, I got another 60-day letter telling me they don't need anything from me. Yeah, Charles, there's a lot of people get the 60-day letter. Okay, now, then I get another 60-day letter. And then some people have told me that they got a letter talking about 180 days. Does it happen? Yes, but let me tell you something, little Charles. Just because you receive, yes, I'm going to try to help you as much as I can. Just because you received a 60-day notice after that 60-day pass doesn't mean it's going to take the full 60 days. So don't be discouraged. That's what people say. Lord, I received another 60 days. Somebody have told me that was on my channel. I can't remember her name. She received a 60-day letter. Okay, it passed. Then she received another 60-day letter. And she said, Miss Likely, they sent me the 60-day letter and then I got my refund. So it may not take the full 60 days, little Charles, okay? So that's good news. So don't be discouraged. Some of you think just because you received a 60-day letter that the IRS is going to take the whole 60 days. That's not necessarily true. They telling you they need more time, and it can take up to 60 days, okay? Up to. So just let you guys know that as well. Anything else? Hope that clears that up, little Charles, okay? That's probably that they're trying to correct something on your return, something that they need to correct on their end regarding your return. Maybe a simple mathematical error or something small, little Charles. So they got more time to do it, okay? Anybody else with any more questions? I try to wait a few minutes to see. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Should I call them, little Charles? You can. You can, but they tell you, little Charles, when they give you those notices and it says 60 days, they're going to tell you, do not contact them if they send you a 60-day notice. They would it got it on the IRS site that if you receive those notices, that's why I tell you guys to reach out to the taxpayer advocate or a congressman, because when you receive those notices, they don't want you contacting them. My baby changed my name. Okay. Change your name. Is it you changing on the return? Little Charles, is changed on the return, or did it change on your bank account? Because sometimes that can be a problem. Make sure everything lines up, you guys, with your tax return and that bank. Remember, your tax return and your bank got to match up, even if you're joint with somebody. Okay? The name need to be on the account. And if it's something different on your tax return than it was the last year, sometimes it takes longer. Okay? If you change things, like 1 year I filed, I'm giving you an example. 1 year I maybe filed single, okay? And then all of a sudden the next year married. And I filed married with my spouse. Sometimes that can take longer too when you change little stuff like that, and even as simple as your address. So can things like that kind of make it take a while? Yes, it can, okay? On here, my name Kizzy. Okay, Kizzy. Okay. Hopefully what I'm sharing with you guys helps you. Anybody else with anything else? Okay. If you need help, don't be afraid to ask me. I'm here to help you with the best I can. Now, I might not can answer every question, but to the best of my ability, I try to help you. Okay. But if you have any questions you file with your tax preparer or you file with a CPA, go back to them and ask them questions as well. You can do that as well, you guys. Okay? Okay, little Charles. You're so welcome. Thank you for watching and joining us. Anybody else before I go off? And again, if you're on by Grace watching, if you're on LinkedIn, you can comment on there as well. You're on here. If you own by Grace Tax Services watching, you have a comment. I should be able to see this on here too. On LinkedIn, sometimes it doesn't show up, but you still can drop comments because I check my LinkedIn about every day. I be on all my social media sites checking stuff, even if I'm not posting. Anybody else? Any questions? Okay, well, if no more questions, you guys, I'll be live again on Wednesday, okay? And if you have any questions, even after this video, you can drop them down after this video. In the replay of this video, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Y'all have a great weekend and be safe, okay? Be blessed.